Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app settings. This is where control resides. Long press the app icon or go to Settings then Apps and tap the app entry. Once done, scan the screen for storage, permissions, and the Force Stop button so you know where everything is. Make sure to note if the app runs as device admin. If it does, you cannot change certain options until you revoke that. This step sets up the environment. It makes the next actions safe and predictable. Now you take the middle steps to remove the need for Force Stop. If the app has device admin, go to Special App Access and revoke that first because admin rights block some changes. Then, tap Force Stop. If it's active, you may need to toggle background activity or disable the app temporarily. Once stopped, clear cache to remove transient issues or clear storage only if you accept data loss. These actions remove persistent processes and explain why the Force Stop option appears. Finish by restarting the device so Android reinitializes app states. This ensures Force Stop won't reappear from a stuck process. After reboot, make sure to re-enable only necessary permissions and disable auto start or background activity to prevent the app relaunching. If the app still forces you to use Force Stop, uninstall and reinstall it. This clears corrupted installs. One troubleshooting tip: if uninstall is blocked, check device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.